Lo mhlangano sikolo lolungiswe baka ESCOM uqale ngeMsombuluko wade waphetha ngelanga langalesihlanu kanti ke lo mhlangano sikolo wabo ukade ubuthanise labo labasebenta khona ke emisakatweni cishe kuma departments lahlukahlukene kufaka ekhathi itintatheli baka production lababukete kumaketha kanye ke nalabanye. Tanya D'Souza lo Chief Executive Officer ka ESCOM vetile ukuthi lo mhlangano noma ke kulo mhlangano sikolo bayathemba utawusita ukuthi kube nelushintsho emisakatweni yakuleli.
As we endeavor to make the positive changes and improvements in the areas of work within which we come from. I'd like to take the opportunity to thank our facilitators for the collaboration and partnership as we make the improvements in our industry, broadcast, radio, TV.
Mandisa Nkambule lobukete kuxhumana ka ESCOM uvetile ukuthi lo mhlangano uvule emehlo kulabanyenti.
There's a lot that goes behind it. There's a lot of technical things that people didn't know go behind the broadcasting. Bekumnanzi nje kuva base radio bathi hawu kanti emsakatweni waka TV kuba kanje nebase emsakatweni waka TV bathi hawu kanti radio kulula kanje mhlawumbe but
Lebe bafundzisa nabo babonge ukutimisela kwalabasakati kanike lebe bafunza nabo babonge ESCOM.
Soak in the information that is being shared.
Swatini, I do believe that there's a lot that can still be done between us.
Labo bas batawuthi kancane ungabe likhunyakhunyana le movement ngobe usebenta kwethu la lebe sitokwenza ngabe bafasafasile awu besimane sibusa otherwise our wish ukuthi bathambise kube practical nakulo besitokwenza.
For us, it was an amazing experience, and the kind of knowledge, some of us have been in the industry for the longest time, and to have the kind of passion and talent in one room, it reminded us for a minute that we're human and really we're not machines. And to have each person share their experiences, for us it was, you know, it was out of this world.
Lo mhlangano sikolo bolungiselelwe imisakato yabomabonakudze kanye ke ne-radio kanti labasakati babeseke baniketwa itifiketi tekungenela lo mhlangano sikolo nginohlahlathwala itindzabeni te channel eMaswati ngena Ntobeko Thabetse eMbabane.